grab some lettuce because you've heard that it's healthy, and then you cut it up without really much thought. You whack some olive oil in it because that billionaire who hates pizza and wants to live to 200 says it was good for you. And then you tuck in and, well, yeah, nah, no good. I'm gonna share with you some practical tips to help make your salad not suck. The salad is your number one tool in your toolkit to use for your weight management arsenal. Now, we all know fruits and vegetables are good for you. In fact, this 2017 study stated that for optimal health, we have to get 10 servings of fruits and veggies a day. Now, that's a lot. It leaves you scratching your head wondering, how am I going to get that amount of fruits and vegetables into my diet? Enter stage right, salad. Now, the salad is an essential part of your toolkit as a home cook, and I'm going to teach you a few little tricks to help make your salad taste really good. Allow me to, while I make my dinner, just show you how I would go through this process. First of all, we want to just chop up the lettuce really small, no big chunks in it this time. You want nice little even pieces so then your salad ends up, being uniform and interesting. This brings us to our first point. Different textures are key. So here we want crunchy, soft, smooth, a little bit of interest, a little bit of intrigue, because this really dances on your palate. First of all, we'll go in with some raw onion, chopped up really, really small as well, with some crunchy texture. And then a little bit of a different crunchy texture. We'll go in with some nuts. So go in with your chopped nuts into a dry pan, and you really want to get some nice kind of color on this because this adds flavor, this adds intrigue. It just changes the texture up a bit even more, because texture, as we have learned, is key. Got this trick from Brian Lagerstrom, where he sieves out the nuts, and that helps get rid of any little dust, because look, that's a texture that we don't want in our salad. Just imagine sand from the beach in your mouth. Yep, not that tasty, eh? Maybe you want to go in with some nice soft goat's cheese. This adds a creamy texture, which is going to be very important to contrast with the crunchy textures from the lettuce and the nuts. The next point I want to cover is get creative. Use whatever is in your fridge, whatever's left over, because that's going to add interest, it's going to add variety to your salad. Here you see I've just grabbed some olives, peppers. Even you could go in with some leftover salad that you didn't finish from the other night. There's really no rules to this, guys. And maybe adding a little bit of raspberries just for a bit of sweetness, a bit of texture. You can add anything to your salad. Fruit, go for gold, man. Even leaves, whatever. Another key aspect to your salad is protein, because protein is very good for helping you to keep full and building those muscles after long training sessions. Here I've got some leftover barbecued steak. Just cut it up so it's nice bite-sized. Put it into the salad as well. I love olives, my wife doesn't, so I'm going to put some olives on my side of the salad. They add a nice salty brininess, helps really cut through all the rich other textures and flavors that we've got going on from the steak and the cheese. The next and final point, guys, is make your own dressing. Don't buy store-bought salad dressing, because they've just got a bunch of sugars and other stuff that you don't really need in your salad. And you can make your salad dressing from really anything that's lying in your cupboard. Back to point 2, you have the ingredients in your house. You can use anything, like pickle brine from the leftover pickles. You can use a bit of lemon juice, or, as I'm going to be doing, you can use vinegars, balsamic vinegar right here. Pour it into a jar, guys, and then you want to go 50-50 mixture with some olive oil, some good high quality olive oil, or really any oil works, but olive oil is good. Some finely grated garlic goes very well in a salad, highly recommend it. And then yeah, you want to think, all right, salty, you want to think sweet, you want to think vinegar, which we've got before. Really just whatever flavors you'd like, but the key aspects are vinegar, oil, sweetness, salt. So yep, shake it all up. Make sure you taste it. See what it needs. Does it need more salt? Does it need more vinegar? After you've tasted it and you've deemed it being good, go on to your salad. Pour it on. There you go. There's your salad. Share it with the ones that you love most. Tuck in and enjoy all of the health benefits that come from making a delicious homemade salad. Possibilities are endless here, guys. Hope you enjoyed this, and I'll catch you in the next one.